If your website looks fine, but somehow still feels off, you're not imagining it. And the issue is usually not your brand. It's the structure underneath it. Here are the 3 reasons this happens and how to fix it. The first is lack of clarity. When someone lands on your website, they should understand what you do almost immediately. Not after reading multiple sections. Not after scrolling. Right away. If that doesn't happen, the experience feels uncertain. And uncertainty makes people leave. The second is visual imbalance. This is more subtle, but it's one of the biggest differences between a website that feels premium and one that doesn't. Spacing that feels too tight. Sections that feel uneven. Text that doesn't have room to breathe. Even if everything is technically correct, the overall impression feels slightly off. And people pick up on that instantly. The third and most important is lack of flow. Most websites are built as a collection of sections. But a strong website is built as a sequence, each section leading naturally into the next, guiding the visitor without effort. When that flow is missing, people don't know where to focus, so they disengage. This is exactly why structure matters so much. And it's also why starting from a well-designed template can change everything. A strong template already includes the spacing, hierarchy, and flow that make a website feel intentional. You're not trying to create it from scratch. You're refining something that already works. That's exactly how our luxury show-it website templates are designed. They're built to eliminate that something feels off feeling and replace it with clarity, structure, and a more elevated presence. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so everything feels aligned from the start. If your website feels off, it's not random. It's structural. And once you fix that, everything changes. You can explore our full collection of luxury show-it website templates below.